Villa Courbe is a lakeside residence located in a mountainous setting, designed with an intuitive response to the forces of nature and local zoning regulations. The villa blends into the surrounding forested hills, while still standing out among the traditional houses around it. The villa's design accommodates the topography of the lake's slope with a series of contour cuts, creating spaces that interact dynamically with the surrounding sunlight and landscape. With careful selection of materials and the use of modern technology, the villa not only maximizes the comfort of its occupants, but also respects its natural environment. Villa Courbe combines modern aesthetics with natural elements, creating a harmonious appearance with the surrounding mountain and lake landscape. The house is designed in a series of cuts that follow the contour of the land, allowing the villa to grow from the slope, blending with the surrounding topography. A hanging canopy at the entrance marks the main access point, providing expansive views of the mountains from the center of the villa. The planted roof acts as a natural extension of the landscape, with a shape inspired by the folds of the Alps. Exterior materials such as zinc cladding, triple-glazed glass panels, and high-grade concrete are used to create a balance between structural strength and refined aesthetics. Villa Courbe was designed to make the most of natural light in a smart and elegant way. Upon entering the villa, a three-story light-filled gallery takes center stage, with white walls and ceilings that reflect light optimally. The main living area overlooking the lake takes advantage of the double height, creating an open and spacious feel, complemented by a warm wood ceiling and natural stone walls that provide texture and warmth. Below, the underground art and entertainment area was designed with special attention to lighting, using soft light that filters in from clear-story windows and reflections from the glass swimming pool. Premium materials such as black marble with white veins and horizontally patterned limestone provide a luxurious and natural feel, while carefully selected concrete and metal elements ensure the interiors remain contemporary and elegant.